Understanding Paralytic in English, a comprehensive guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English term, paralytic. This word isn't just about its literal medical meaning. It has found its way into everyday English in surprising ways. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English, understanding the nuances of such words can be incredibly enriching. Let's explore together. Paralytic primarily refers to paralysis, a medical condition. This term is used both as an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, it describes something related to, affected by, or causing paralysis. For example, paralytic disease, or paralytic symptoms. As a noun, it refers to a person affected by paralysis. For instance, he is a paralytic. Understanding this fundamental meaning is crucial before delving into its more metaphorical uses. Interestingly, paralytic has evolved in colloquial language, particularly in British English. Colloquially, it is often used to describe someone who is extremely drunk. For example, he was paralytic at the party. This usage metaphorically draws from the idea of losing control over one's movements, similar to actual paralysis. It's important to understand this colloquial use, especially in informal conversations or certain literary contexts. Here are some tips to use paralytic appropriately. 1. Context is key. Always consider the context. If you're discussing a medical condition, the literal meaning is appropriate. In casual, especially British English contexts, it might have the colloquial meaning. 2. Be sensitive. When using paralytic, in its literal sense, be aware of the sensitivity surrounding medical conditions. 3. Cultural nuances. Remember, the colloquial use is more common in some English-speaking regions than others. It might not be understood or appreciated everywhere. To solidify your understanding, here are a few examples. 1. Literal, the accident left him paralytic. 2. Colloquial, they were laughing about how paralytic they got last night. 3. Adjective, the disease had a paralytic effect on his limbs. Understanding these differences will help you navigate both formal and informal English with ease. And that wraps up our exploration of the word paralytic. From its medical roots to its informal usage, this word truly shows the dynamic nature of the English language. We hope this has been an enlightening journey for you. Keep expanding your language horizons, and see you in our next video.